Hello, happy new year to everyone. This year I'm going to be doing a whole lot for the piano community, and just like what I did, I'm going to be doing a video or a series of videos for intermediate players, and um, it's not going to be free. I'm not making it free, but um, you can all attest to the fact that I've done a 53 video series that is targeted to the beginners. And if you have used it or this is your first time of hearing me, you can go to my playlist. It is free for everyone so that you can be able to play all the 12 keys. Now, if you can prove to me that you have finished learning it, maybe I can give you a discount. Secondly, I'm going to be doing a lot of songs this year. I'm going to be posting a whole lot of songs. And please kindly watch about 3 minutes before, if you want to download, you download. So that my channel can, it can help the channel, because it looks like some of you just watch 1 minute and then you download it. It makes it look like people are not interested in the channel. All right, so uh, it doesn't help my YouTube analytics. All right, then lastly, if you want a one-on-one tuition with me, you can also contact me, and then we'll look at it. But anyways, anyhow, I'm going to give you more videos this year, and yeah, happy new year and all the best. Bye bye.